Artificial intelligence is developing far more quickly than most computer experts have predicted. As internet costs decreased, the advantages of AI became more accessible to the average person. An example of an AI marvel is ChatGPT, an AI-powered chat window created by OpenAI. ChatGPT is gaining popularity due to its capacity to assist, manage, and resolve a wide range of queries. ChatGPT, for example, can be helpful for generating money online. ChatGPT can be used by individuals looking for a part-time side gig or by professionals who wish to supplement their income with a passive source. This video will discuss several simple methods that require no expertise at all to earn money with ChatGPT. How can ChatGPT be used to earn money? The top 10 strategies to monetize ChatGPT and AI are outlined here. Now let's get going. Number 10, email writing. With ChatGPT, you can generate revenue in a number of ways. For example, you can use its input to generate emails. Emails are widely used in the software sector, digital marketing, and many other fields. For instance, a software company's HR department might mandate that it send emails to applicants who are chosen for the position. Additionally, the most widely used strategy in digital marketing is emailing. You can write emails with ChatGPT's assistance, distribute them to different applicants, and get rewarded for it. Making money online with this side gig might be simple. Number 9, blogging/copywriting. When handled correctly, blogging can be a terrific idea for freelancing. Websites that offer helpful information on a variety of topics are known as blogs. It takes a lot of time and work to conduct research, write material that is error-free and optimized for search engines, and write blog posts. On the other hand, this might be revolutionary if your goal with ChatGPT is to generate revenue. ChatGPT can alleviate all of this stress by giving you the necessary content. You can provide ChatGPT with the necessary keywords, and it will generate text based on those inputs. These blogs can be posted on your website, and you can make money using Bing ads, Google ads, or sponsored posts from other bloggers. Number 8, online tutoring/solving problems. For all of the stuff on the internet, ChatGPT serves as a filter. With this, you may produce high-quality content on a range of subjects, which you can then share or publish on your website for a fair fee. These can also be used to make a video that you can upload to YouTube. Websites like Quora, Chegg, and others will compensate you for answering different questions that students ask. With ChatGPT, you can profit in these situations. Moreover, various online platforms recognize the value of knowledge and expertise, offering monetary compensation for users who contribute meaningful responses to inquiries. Websites like Quora and Chegg present opportunities for individuals to earn income by answering a myriad of questions posed by students and learners. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities, users can enhance the quality and depth of their responses, increasing the likelihood of receiving compensation for their valuable insights. Number 7, translation services. In a world where dozens of languages are spoken, the translation services industry stands out as a lucrative sector with ample opportunities for online revenue growth. Leveraging its proficiency in multiple languages, ChatGPT emerges as a powerful tool capable of translating a diverse array of content with commendable grammar and accuracy. The versatility of ChatGPT in translation extends to various types of texts, encompassing everything from books and novels to official documents and social media posts. The potential applications of ChatGPT in translation services are vast and diverse. Users can harness its capabilities to seamlessly translate literary works, allowing authors to reach a broader international audience. Moreover, businesses and organizations can utilize ChatGPT to translate essential documents, ensuring effective communication across linguistic barriers. The platform's adaptability extends even to the realm of social media, where it can assist in translating and localizing posts to engage a global audience. Number 6, create PPTs. PowerPoint presentations are frequently used in seminars held by multinational corporations as well as in classroom instruction. With the information we provide, ChatGPT can create a strong PowerPoint. These PowerPoints can be sold to different companies or individuals depending on what's on them. Nevertheless, since ChatGPT only provides text responses, there are a few procedures you must take in order to extract a PowerPoint. Installing the Python PPT prompt is required, as is running the VBA code within PowerPoint. You can watch a number of YouTube tutorials to learn how to use GPT to make PPTs. Number 5, resume creation. Crafting an effective resume is a pivotal step for job seekers, particularly those who are just embarking on their professional journeys. For individuals finding it challenging to create a compelling resume, turning to internet professionals for assistance has become a common practice. In such scenarios, ChatGPT emerges as a valuable resource in the resume writing process. One notable advantage of using ChatGPT for resume creation is its efficiency in editing. The platform enables users to refine and customize resumes effectively, ensuring that each document is polished and impactful. This capability is particularly beneficial for individuals who may lack experience in crafting professional resumes, providing them with a reliable tool to enhance their job application materials. Resume creation services powered by ChatGPT, such as those offered by resume creators, offer a reasonable and accessible solution for individuals seeking professional assistance. The cost for designing a single resume is deemed fair, making it a cost-effective option for those who prioritize quality and expertise in presenting their credentials to potential employers. Number 4. Write product descriptions. There are millions of products available on the e-commerce industry. Every product must have a thorough description shown with it, and there is a great need for content writers with experience creating product descriptions. Recruiters looking for product description writers can be found on websites like Fiverr. With the information you give it, ChatGPT can create a compelling description and perhaps emerge as one of the simplest methods to monetize ChatGPT. Number 3. Content writing. The increasing trend of businesses establishing an online presence and building websites has created a growing demand for high-quality content to enhance their visibility on search engines. Recognizing the importance of informative and engaging articles, companies often seek specialized content tailored to their industry. For instance, a finance company might require an article delving into the effect of recent high court judgment on stock market, while a software-as-a-service SaaS company might seek a detailed essay elucidating the intricacies of the field in which they offer services. In this context, ChatGPT proves to be an invaluable tool for generating in-depth articles on a wide range of topics. By tapping into its vast knowledge base, ChatGPT can provide users with well-researched and articulate content that aligns with specific subject matters. This content can then be further refined and filtered according to the requirements of the business or website. The flexibility and adaptability of ChatGPT make it a versatile solution for businesses seeking to bolster their online presence with compelling and relevant content. Number 2. Faceless YouTube channel. The ChatGPT script enables the successful operation of a faceless YouTube channel. This kind of channel simply uses voiceover and graphics in its faceless videos. ChatGPT has the ability to write an interesting YouTube script. Your input determines the intro/outro and material that are specified. With the use of additional ad technologies like V.io, these writings can be transformed into films and altered as necessary. By monetizing your YouTube channel and obtaining advertisements from other businesses, you might make a significant amount of money. Number 1. Social media managing. Social media evolved became the center of marketing. To strengthen their brand voice, a wide range of businesses, from food carts on the street to multinational corporations, are creating social media profiles. These businesses require somebody to handle their accounts, produce original material, and advertise them. ChatGPT is useful for idea bombing a range of items. It provides inspiration for pictures, videos, and much more. Additionally, it produces eye-catching hashtags and captions that enhance audience interaction. I hope you found these strategies insightful and practical. The world of artificial intelligence is expanding, and with tools like ChatGPT, the opportunities for innovation and income generation are at your fingertips. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a freelance gig, or a full-blown online business, ChatGPT can be your ally in achieving your goals. If you enjoyed this video and found value in the information shared, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We're here to support your journey into the exciting realm of AI-driven income opportunities.